Welcome guys to the Crazy Hands Knitting and Crocheting channel, and in this video tutorial I will show you one more super bulky knit hat. I have already on my channel similar hat, very popular on my channel. It calls Snowflake super bulky hat, so check it. This is a little bit different pattern, but in general very similar. For this hat I was using as before and as usually I'm using for this yarn 9 millimeters knitting needles. You can also use 10 millimeters, and the yarn from Land brand wool is thick and quick, and as you see it is super bulky yarn, so use any brand you like. That's it for this hat. You can make yarn pom-pom or attach a fur pom-pom, up to you. I like this hat with pom-pom. Using long tail cast on method, cast on the number of stitches that is divisible by 4. I cast on 44 stitches. And if you want to use invisible joining method, then cast on one more extra stitch, so in total 45 stitches. Now slip the first stitch to the right hand needle, then with the tip of left hand needle pick up the last needle and slip it over the first one and drop it off the needle. Pull both working yarn and tail and return the first stitch to the left hand needle. So place stitch marker, or you can use the tail to make sure where you are, and start knitting ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. You can also knit ribbon, knit 2, purl 2. So you decide. Knit 1, purl 1. Pull, and go on. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Let's do 2 more stitches. Knit 1, purl 1. Please finish this round till the stitch marker. Round number 2 we are going to repeat first round and go on knitting the ribbon. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Finish this round and then go on knitting ribbon 6 more rounds, in total 8. My ribbon now measures 5 and 5 centimeters. So the first round we are going to knit all stitches. Really easy, knitting all stitches. Go on. I placed already stitch marker, so it will be easier for me to track. Round number 2, purl 2, knit 2. And again, purl 2, knit 2. Purl 2, knit 2. Please go on and finish this round. Purl 2, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2. Round number 3 will be the same as round number 1. We are going to knit all stitches around. So go on and finish this round. Round number 4, knit 2, purl 2. And again, knit 2, purl 2, knit 2, purl 2. And go on repeating knit 2, purl 2 till the end. Round number 5, we are going to start everything from the beginning. Will be the same as round number 1. Knit all stitches. Finish this round. Then round number 6 will be the same as round number 2, round number 7 as round number 3, and round number 8 as round number 4. And like this you go on repeating these 4 rounds until the head reaches 18 or 19 centimeters from the edge. Here I am. So I've done 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 2 more. In total, after the ribbing, I've done 18 rounds. So 16 for repetition, it's 16 plus 2, 18. Let's measure the head. And as you see, 18 and a half, almost 19, so it's okay, it's perfect. Now we are going to start making decreases, and the next round will be the same like round number 3, and here we are going to make decreases like knit 2 together all the way around. Usually in round number 3 we will knit all stitches. Here we will make knit 2 together all the way around. Please finish. Round number 2, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. So no decreases here. Knit 1, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1. Finish, please. Round number 3 we will make again decreases. Slip, knit, pass over, and again slip, knit, pass over, and again slip, knit, pass over. Please go on decreasing. Round number 4, purl 1, knit 1, no decreases, purl 1, knit 1, turn, purl 1, knit 1, purl 1, knit 1. Please finish this round till the stitch marker. So we are done with decreases. The last stitch in this round was just a purl stitch, so no worries. Cut the yarn, leaving short tail. I'm going to use a yarn needle. You can also use tapestry needle or hook. Slip all remaining stitches. One, two, three, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Pull tight and pull the tail through the center to the wrong side. Now pull the tail again underneath remaining stitches. Pull tight and make a knot and then cut the yarn. The same, we have one more tail at the beginning. Let's weave it on the wrong side in this way. That's why I like needles instead of hooks. Super fast. And pull the edge. Okay, and cut the yarn. That's it, guys. The hat is ready. So attach pom-pom if you want. Thank you so much for joining me today and for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave comments. When you leave comments, I see that you are interested and it really makes me happy. Thank you again and I wish you all the best. Bye.